Hi, this is James from Cold Air Inductions. Today we're going to be installing our Elite Series Cold Air Induction System on a 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500. These are the tools required for the installation. Ratchet, extension, 8mm, 10mm, 2.5mm Allen wrench, 5/16 nut driver, a T20 Torx driver.
Turn off the ignition. Let the engine cool before installation. Disconnect the negative battery cable with the 10mm socket and ratchet. Disconnect PCV fitting from valve cover. Loosen clamp on throttle body and air cleaner assembly. Remove wire tie. Remove the bolt and bracket attaching the outlet duct assembly to the alternator with the 10mm socket and ratchet. Remove outlet duct from vehicle. Disconnect the wire harness from the MAF sensor. Remove the OEM cover using the ratchet, 8mm socket, and extension. Remove all 3 screws. Remove air induction housing cover and air filter. Place the factory air induction housing on workbench. Remove the MAF sensor using the T20 Torx by removing the 2 screws holding it in place on the MAF tube. Remove both screws on the MAF tube with 2.5mm Allen wrench. Install MAF sensor in the MAF tube. Replace 2 button head screws. Tighten to 2.5 foot-pounds. Install inlet duct onto throttle body. Leave all connections loose. Reconnect PCV tube. Insert filter element into air induction housing. Install clamp onto the filter element. Install the MAF tube into filter. Seat completely. Align dot on MAF tube to emboss on filter element. Tighten hose clamp on filter element with 5/16 nut driver. Install air induction housing into the vehicle. Replace the 3 screws into the air induction housing using the ratchet, 8mm socket, and extension. Orientate MAF tube correctly and tighten both hose clamps with 5/16 nut driver. Reroute AC wire under AC hose and connect. Reconnect the negative battery terminal with 10mm socket and ratchet. Slowly lower your hood and check for clearance. Time for a test drive.
This concludes the installation. Please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.